I fucking love tracking shots. And today I am going to show you how I built this camera dolly for under 1000 rupees. Step number 1. Grab all the required components. A pair of inline skates which I stole from a kid, 2 4mm Allen keys, 4 3-inch L brackets, some bolts, nuts, washers, screws, a 30 by 30 inch plywood board, and last 2 40mm 10-foot long PVC pipes. Step number 2. Build the fucking camera dolly. The first thing you need to do is measure the brackets, ensuring equal distance from each corner. Then screw them into place using some wood screws. Next, remove the skate wheels from their axles using an Allen key. Similarly, remove the remaining wheels. Now insert a bolt through each wheel. Tighten it with 3 nuts. Add a washer. Pass the bolt through L bracket hole and secure it with a nut. By the way, I had to drill these holes in the L brackets myself because the existing ones were too small for my bolts. And with that, our dolly is almost ready. Just install the remaining wheels onto the brackets and there you have a DIY camera dolly for under 1000 rupees. Let's test it out. Find a flat, stable surface to place your track. Place your camera dolly on the PVC pipes. Now mount your camera on the dolly according to the shot you want. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.
Something's coming if